Yeah. So let us start from this question. Eighth one, right?
Yeah, okay.
So
Um,
yes.
yeah, in that fortnightly test thing, there was one question of linear equation, the last question, the 10th question. I had a doubt in. I didn't
Oh.
understand.
So linear equation and which question? So the question came from here, right? This 21st,
No, 10th one.
10th is which question? I guess. Let me check which is the 10th question. And all the other question you did, right?
Yeah.
Good, good. So I'll get the copies and then I'll take it. Okay, so yeah, where is your question? Yeah, this. So 10th is, oh, solve the following pair for this one. Okay. Yeah, so this was the question. This one, right? 24th.
Yeah, that one.
So how many methods do we know? We only know two methods, right? One is the substitution, other one is the elimination, right?
Yes.
But you tell me, is this equation simplified? So are these equations simplified? They are not simplified, right?
No.
So first, let us simplify this. So this is b x by a plus a by by, and then a square plus b square. So how can we simplify these two? We take the LCM. So LCM is a into b, right? So what would be in the numerator? The first term. What would be the first term?
BA.
Yeah. So bx is here, right? But we have taken the LCM. So now what would be in here? A is divided by AB. So what we'll get? B. Then B multiplied with this numerator. So B square X. Correct? Correct, Rifa.
Yes.
And then what would be in here? What would be the second term?
AY squared.
A square y, right? So B divided and we get A into A, so A square y. So this is A square plus B square. And then this AB goes in the right hand side. So what do we have? We have B square X plus A square y. And this is AB into A square plus B square. So this is what? B square X plus A square y. And A QP plus BQ, ABQ. Is this clear?
Yes. Can I just write it down?
So we have B square. Yeah, of course, of course. So, and the other equation is this one. Now you will tell me what should we do next. Yes, uh, noted, Rifa.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have these as simplified equation. This is one and this is and we have two methods: substitution method and elimination method. So which method you want to use?
Elimination.
Elimination. So we have to make the coefficient of either x same or either y same. So which equation you want to, or which coefficient you want to make the same?
Y.
So what should we multiply here? Yes. What should we multiply in here so that we get a square y?
We multiply with A.
A square, right? Right. Then this would be a square y, correct?
Yeah.
So
Mm,
now we have b square x plus a square y. This is a cube b plus a b cube. And then this is what? This is a square x plus a square y. And then this is 2a cube b. Am I correct or not?
yes.
So now this is cancelling. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. So this is cancelling. And we have b square x minus a square x. And then what do we have in here? We have a cube b plus ab cube minus of 2a cube. So this is what? B square common, and then we have x common. So we have x common. So what we'll get here?
B square.
Minus a. Right. And in here, what is simplifying? So these are like terms, right? So this
Yes.
would be ab cube minus of what? What is a cube b minus 2a cube b?
Sorry.
What is a cube b minus 2a cube b?
A cube B.
Yeah, a cube b with a minus sign, right?
Yeah.
So yes, correct. So this is a cube. Now we have this answer. So now can you tell me what is the common term in here? What is the common thing?
Uh, A is the
A, and what about this b?
yeah, B cube also.
No, no, b cube is not common. Only b is common and a is common. So a b is common. Right. So if I take out ab from ab cube, what will remain?
No, but A cube and B cube are also common, right?
So if I take a cube common, so do we have any a cube term in here? This is what? This is a into b into b into b. This is what? This is a into a into b. So what is common in both the terms? This one is common
A is
and
common.
this one is. So we have only AB common, right?
Yes.
So AB is common. Then if I take AB from this term, what will remain here?
B cube and A.
So I have taken AB common. A and B common. What is remain?
A square, A square and B square.
Yeah. So from here it is B square, right? And from here I have A square, correct? So X would be AB and B square minus A square divided by B square. So this is cancelling and I have A. Is this clear to you?
Yes.
Now we had x plus y which was 2a. So x would be how much? Or x we know.
Um,
X,
X is
yeah.
equal to AB, right?
So y and then 2a. So this would be what? Y would be 2ab minus
2ab
a.
minus ab.
This is b.
So it will be
So
ab.
x is ab and y is it. These are the two answers. Understood?
Okay.
Please note it down. So please note it down. And if you have any doubt, please ask. So whenever you have noted it down, please tell. Noted, Rifa.
I'm writing. One sec.
Okay.
Noted.
Okay. So now let us get back to the coordinate. Right. So we were doing the eighth question, right? So we were doing this eighth question, and we have to find out. The question is that find the values of y for which the distance between the point is 10 units. So we have to find the value of y for which the distance between these 2 points. This is p, which is 2 minus 3, and q, which is 10 comma y. So what is the distance between these 2 points which is given?
It is 10 units.
10 units, right? So this is 10. And from distance formula, what is PQ? From distance formula, what is PQ?
Oh, okay. So root x1, which is 2, x1, which is 2, minus 10, plus minus 3, plus minus 3, minus y,
Mhm.
the whole square.
This is the distance formula. And we already know that what is this PQ? PQ is 10. So this is 10. And this is 2 minus 10, which is minus 8 square. And this is minus 3 minus y whole square. Right. So what should we do? This is root and this is 10. So what should we do to simplify this root?
Sorry, can you
Yeah,
repeat
what
again?
should we do? Like, yeah, yeah. So we have this root in here, right? And in this left hand side we have this 10. So to simplify this further, what should we do next? To remove this root, what should we do? So how can we remove these roots?
We can simplify 8 square plus minus 3 and
Yeah, this we can simplify, but we want to remove this root. So we can square in both these sides, right? So in this way we can remove this root, right? So this is 10 square, and this is root of this is square, right? So this is square. So if we square the root, so root is cancelled. So this is what? 100 and then a minus 8 square, which is and then minus 2 minus 5 square. So root is cancelled, right? Clear? Is this clear?
yes.
Yes, Rifa, is this clear?
Yeah.
So this is 100, this is 64, and this is, as we were saying, a plus b whole square. So this is a square plus b square and then minus of 2ab, which is 2 into 3 into y, right? So this would be 164 plus 9 plus y square, and then we have this 6y. Okay. So then what
Um,
do we have?
why did we square the both sides? Like, if there was root 10, then we could have square on the both sides, right?
Yeah, but you see, we want to solve this whole part, right? So how can we solve this whole part, right? Because if we simplify these terms, so then we'll get these terms in the root, but we don't know how to solve the roots, right? We don't know how to solve 3x square plus 5x plus 4. Can we solve this?
No.
Can we solve this? So
If
when we
we square,
then we
then
have
we
to
can
remove this
solve.
root. And how do we remove this? Yeah. So if
If
we
we
square, then
square,
it would
then
be
we
easy,
can.
right? So that yeah. Then if we square, then this root will be removed, and then we can easily calculate. Good, good. So then this is what 100 minus this is what 64, then 73, and this is y squared plus 6y. So this is 7, and this is what 27 equals to y squared plus 6y. So this is y squared plus 6y and minus 27. So can you tell me what is this equation?
Y square plus 6y minus 27.
Yeah, what is
We
this
need to,
equation?
it's a quadratic equation.
Yeah, it's absolutely right. So it's a quadratic equation. So please find the solution of this quadratic equation, right? We have quadratic formula, you have middle term splitting. So whichever method you want to use, please use that and tell me the solution of y. Okay.
Okay. I am just writing this whole thing right now.
Yeah,
I
yeah. Please
wrote it
no.
down.
Yeah, yeah. Please note that part and then solve the equation. Okay.
Yeah. I got the answer 72. I did b square minus 4ac.
So 7, so we have to find the solution,
No,
right?
72.
So we have to find out what is the solution from quadratic formula. From quadratic formula, this is the solution, right? Where your d is b squared minus 4. So this is the solution, right? So first let us calculate or let us use the middle transpolated. So we have this y square plus 6y minus 27. So 27 is 3 into 9, right? So we can write y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equals to 3. So y plus 9 minus 3y plus 9. So one is y plus 9 and the other one is y minus. So the answer would be minus 9 and plus 3. These are the two solutions, right? Okay, so how did you get 72?
I use d is equal to b square minus 4ac.
Yeah, so the solution is this one, right? D is only this one. So we have to put the value of D as well, right, in here. So minus B and you calculated,
No,
so
I
B,
didn't use the quadratic form. I did the discriminant.
yeah, so this is the quadratic form. So B square is 36 minus 4 into A, which is 1, and then minus of 27. So then this is what? 36 plus, right? So
One zero.
this is 144, right? So 12. Oh, so which means that D is 144. So if you put the value of 144, then you'll get minus of plus minus root of 144. And P is 6. So minus of 6 and then divided by 2 into 1. So then what you will get? You will get minus 6 plus minus 12 by 2. So if you take minus, so minus 6 minus 12 by 2, which is minus 18 by 2, which is minus 9. So this is 1. And the other one is plus 12 by 2, which is 6 by 2, which is 3. So again, in this method, you will also get 3 and minus 9. Right? Whichever method you choose, the answer would be same.
Yeah. Oh, I did not see the minus minus.
Yeah,
I.
yeah, yeah. So practice,
That's,
practice, Rifa, right? Okay, so noted up to this point.
yeah.
Okay, so the coordinates, they, on, they only ask about the value, right? Value. Okay, so now let us do this ninth question. Okay, so what is the ninth question? So if Q is equidistant from P and R, so we have this Q, right? And this is equidistant from P and R. So P is what? P is 5 minus 3 and R is X comma 6 and this is 0 comma 1. Okay. So what is given in this question, Rifa?
We need to find the value of x and also the distance of QR and PR.
Yeah, so we have to find out QR and PR. But what is given in this question? What is the information that is given?
That Q is equidistance from P and R.
Yeah, so how can we represent that mathematically? So this question we have done it before, right? So think about this. This Q point is equidistance from P and R. What is the meaning of this?
Yeah. Okay. It means that PQ is equal to QR,
Absolutely right. So PQ is equal to RQ, right?
and we need to put the distance formula, and then we should
Yeah,
solve by
absolutely.
squaring.
Good, good, good. So absolutely right. So we have to put the distance formula. So distance formula is what? Root of this is what? So 5 minus 0 whole square and then plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. And then what do we have? Root of x minus 0 whole square and then 6 minus 1 whole square. Right. So this is 5 square and then this is 4 square root and then this is x square plus 5 square. So we have both the sides root, so we square both the sides. So this is 25 plus 4, a 16, and then this is x square plus 25. So 25, 25 cancel, right?
25 cancel.
So we have x square is 16, so x is what?
Root 6.
Root 16, which is plus minus 4, right? So
Yes. But why plus or minus?
because if you square minus 4, what you will get? Minus 4 into minus 4. So minus minus cancel, you will get 16.
16.
So minus 4 is this square root of 16. And you already know that 4 into 4 is how much? This is 16. So again, 4 is square root. So we have two square. One is plus 4 and the other one is minus 4, right? That is why two plus and minus 4. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so for plus 4, so now we have two conditions. We have two conditions for x equals to plus 4, right? We have to find out what is QR and PR. So this you can calculate. And for x equals to minus 4, then again you can calculate QR and PR. Right. So I will skip this part because we know that QR is what? So this is 0, 1. 0, 1, 5 minus
Mm,
3.
okay, so we need to find it again,
Yeah,
like
because
using
now,
the distance formula again.
we know the values, right? So from the values we have to find, and in this case we have q which is 0 comma 1 and r is now minus 4 6, right? And then this is minus. So that is why we have, because for x this is r, right? What is r? R is x comma 6, and we have got two values of x. So for x equals to 4, x equals to 4 will have this different QRPR, and for x equals to minus 4 we'll have different QR and PR. Clear? Is this point clear? Yes, is this point clear to you, Rifa?
No, I didn't understand how you got -4 for
Oh,
R and
okay. So, yeah, so as I was discussing that you'll get two values of plus minus 4. So did you get the minus 4 part?
yeah.
So
I
now,
didn't understand why you changed the coordinate of R. Like you put
yeah,
-4 and 6.
yeah. So you see that what is R? R is x comma 6.
And
R is x comma 6, right?
yeah. Okay, so
But
you put the value of X, which
yeah,
we found.
yeah. So because we had two values of x, so that is why for x equals to 4, R would be this, and for x equals to minus 4, R would be this. Clear?
Okay. Okay, clear.
Yeah. So then you calculate the values of Q and yeah. So do this. Okay. Now please note down this part. So this distance formula was easy, right?
Yeah.
Now, because today's class assessment is about section formula, so let us quickly do this 10th question and then we'll do the section formula. Okay. And whenever you want me to scroll down the screen, you please.
You can scroll. Yeah, finished.
Okay, so now let us quickly do the 10th question and then we'll start the section form. Okay, so find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant. So let's say this is q, which is xy. This is equidistant from point 3 comma 6 and minus 3, 4. So this is p and r. So again, what is the meaning of this q equidistance from p and r?
The PQ will be equal to QR.
Yes. So PQ equal to RQ, right? So then we'll have what? 3 minus, or let me write it this way, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. This is equal to again x minus of minus 3 whole square and then y minus 4 square. These are, again, we cannot simplify this, so squaring both the sides. So what we'll get? We'll get x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. This is x plus 3 whole square and y minus 4 whole square. So again, we'll use the identity a minus b whole square, right? So this is a square plus b square minus of 2ab. And then a square plus b square and minus of 2ab. Similarly, a square plus b square and plus of 2ab and a square plus b square and minus of 2ab. So these are the simplification, right? So you can see from here that this x and this x, these are cancelling out. This y and this y cancelling out, right? And this 9 and 9 cancelling out. So these are the quantities that are cancelling out. Okay.
We can cancel 6x also, right?
So you see that 6 have different sign. This is minus 6 and plus 6. So if I take it in this side, so this would be minus. So this will, yeah, this will not get cancelled, right? So now let us keep this 36 in this side and take this one and this one in the right hand side. So 6x minus 8y plus 6x and plus 12y. So this is 6x plus 6x, 12x and minus 8y plus 12y. So 4y. This is 36, right? So 12x plus 4y equal to 36. And what is the common that we can take from each side?
12.
So 4 is common, right? 4 is common everywhere. So 4 we can take common. So this is 3x plus y and then 36. So we take this in the new denominator. So this is 3x plus y and 36 by 4. So 9. So we'll get 3x plus y equal to 9. So this is the relation between x and y. Is this clear?
Yes.
So now please note it down and then we start the section formula, right? And if you have any doubts, so please ask. Yeah, should I scroll down the screen? Rifa?
Yes.
So yeah, so whenever you note it down, please tell. Okay. Yeah, are you noting it down?
Yes, I am.
No.
Yeah, finished.
Okay, so now the distance formula is right. So now let us understand about the concept of the section form. Right. So what do we understand about section form? Right. So as the name section suggests, it suggests part. Right. So this section formula tells us about the part or ratio of a point. Right. So let's say that we have 2 points. Right. So this will make a line. Right. And let's say the coordinate of these 2 points are x1, y1, and x2 and y2. So what this section formula relates is that whenever I choose one point in between these 2 points, right? So whenever I choose one point in between these 2 points, so this point will divide this line in two parts, right? So this is the part with which this section formula talks about. So let's say that this is divided in M ratio and this is divided in N ratio, right? So let's say this is P, this is Q, and then this is M. So PM and MQ are divided in M by N ratio, right? So now section formula, what does this section formula do is that, let's say that the coordinate of this point is x comma y. So this section formula relates this x comma y with the ratio and with the coordinates. So if I want to, so section formula. So if I want to calculate the coordinate of this point x, so this would be given by mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. And similarly, if I want to calculate the coordinate of y, so y coordinate would be my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus. So this is what section formula tells. Understood? We have 2 points and in between we take 1 point. So this 1 point will divide the line joining these 2 points in two parts. So the section formula relates the ratio with these two coordinates. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah, so please note it down, and then I will just tell you one question, and then you take the class assessment. Okay.
Yes, finished.
Finished. So what you do is that you just log into your Learnivio account, right? And the next topic